It's snowing in Ohio. It's November 18th, 2016. Just did a AC compressor pulley on a 2001 Ford Taurus 3.0 Duratec 24 valve. You see it's all, the bearings are gone. I'll walk out here and show you. Oh, it's not a job for the simple person, that's for sure. As you see, you got to move the battery box. You have to undo all the radiator hoses, drain the fluid out of it, and then it's 4 bolts. You can't really see it, and you got to take the underneath shield off too. So we're getting ready to put her back together, and it took me about 4 hours. So this is a 2001 Ford Taurus 24 valve Duratec 3.0.